Do you dream of living and working in Japan, a country of sushi, anime, edge-cutting technology, and incredible culture? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down the exact requirements, costs, and the documents you're going to need to successfully relocate and start your new life in Japan, and how you can make that happen in as little as 3 to 6 months. By the way, hi, if it's your first time here, hello, my name is Susan Adike. I'm a food, travel, and lifestyle vlogger currently based in Lagos State, Nigeria. I also help people like you to discover real opportunities, live, work, and thrive abroad, especially in countries like Japan and China. On this channel, I break down complex application processes into simple step-by-step guides so you don't waste your money, your time, and even your resources trying to figure it all alone. So if you've been thinking of relocating to Asian country and you don't know where to start, you are in the right place. So stay tuned, because I'm also going to be sharing insider tips of life in Japan, from the work culture to everyday living. That way you know what exactly to expect when you get there. So to start your application to Japan, you're going to need an application and processing fee of 700,000 naira only. Alongside that, here are the documents that you need to prepare: bachelor's degree in any field, a detailed CV and cover letter, and most times an introductory or demo video, especially since communication skills are highly valued in Japan workplace. So here is a quick tip. Japan is a country where presentation and professionalism matters a lot, and having a well-structured CV and a confident introduction video is going to set you apart. So do it better. For your certifications and language proof, you would also be needing the TEFL certificate. Don't have one? Don't worry, it could be arranged with just 50,000 naira. Another major requirement is a proof of 12 years of studying English language. It could be your primary school and secondary school, or even in your university. If you cannot provide this, trust me, it could be arranged with just 150,000 naira. Remember, Japan values English teachers and professionals who can communicate clearly. So yes, this proof is a key part of your application. Get that ready. Section 3 is your financial requirements. You will need at least 500,000 yen proof of fund, which is about 5.2 million naira approximately. That money is to show that you can support yourself. Obviously, if you're traveling outside the country, you obviously need a proof of fund, right? Now, I know that sounds a lot for so many people, but here's the good part. If you don't have the full amount, you can get a loan of 270,000 yen and you could pay back within a year. Think of this as a launch pad into a country that the salary is stable. The healthcare is excellent. Don't even get me started with the safety. Japan is as safe as heaven. It is #1 in the world. In Japan, every entry-level jobs often comes with respectable income, and the cost of living can be manageable depending on the city that you land in. For example, Tokyo is definitely going to be pretty expensive, but Osaka and Fukuoka are kind of still affordable. Section 4 is the age and language requirements. So to qualify for this, you need to be under the age of 65. Please make sure that your English speaking is very fluent. This is a very huge opportunity because Japan is currently allowing a lot of foreigners into the country. And these foreigners are filling up the workforce gaps, especially in education, hospitality, or skilled services. The best part is you don't need to be able to speak Japanese to kick-start this whole process. But like I always tell people, learning 1 or 2 basic languages is going to help you at the long run. That is going to make your life easier and be able to communicate with the locals. Section 5 is the timeline and life in Japan. The relocation process will take about 3 to 6 months. So patience is very much needed, which basically means if you start your application today, you could be living in Japan by the next 3 to 6 months. Imagine yourself walking in the cherry blossom during the spring period, or using the world's fastest train for your daily commutes, or even experiencing culture that balances ancient traditions, like the tea ceremonies, shrines with modern renovations, the robotic and smart cities. So remember, like I said, this requires patience and consistency. Japan actually rewards people who are very disciplined, committed, and ready to adapt. So let's do a quick recap of everything I just said. Number one, your application fee is 700,000 naira. You need a degree certificate, a CV, and a cover letter. You need a TEFL certificate and a proof of English language. You are expected to have a minimum of 500,000 yen proof of funds, or the loan option. You are expected to be below 65 years and speak English fluently. Lastly, 3 to 6 month processing timeline. So if you meet up with all these requirements, or you are ready to work towards them, then Japan could be your next big move. Your dream life in Japan is closer than you think. All it takes is the right information and the right action, and now you have both. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below. What excites you the most about living in Japan? Is it the food, the culture, or the job opportunities? Drop your answers in the comments section below. Also, please share this video to a friend, a family that has been dreaming of relocating to Japan and have not gotten a right route. I remain your favorite baby girl, Susan Adike, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Always remember, love what you do what you love. Be yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. And I'll see you in my next video. 再见。